Hello students of standard 6. How are you? Fine. Good. Welcome to DAV Mall Public School, Sita Songi. This is your social science teacher, Nitin Pushpatode. Okay, let's begin an online session of social science. Children, are you ready? Okay, let's start. In the previous online session, we have started the topic the planet Earth and the solar system. In that online session, students, we have learned about the galaxies, the solar system, the sun, the planet, and about the Earth. So about that, we have learned in that online sessions. Okay, students, today we'll start the subtopic satellite. Okay, let us start. Students, do you know about the satellite? What do you mean by the satellite? Okay, students, it is very essential to know about it. Listen, satellite is a heavenly body. Satellite is a heavenly body. Another manner we can say that a satellite is an object in the space that orbits or circles around a bigger object. So it is a satellite. Students, another definition is given in front of you. Read that. The heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets. Listen, students. The heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets are called satellites. So once one picture is given, observe that carefully. At a center point, Earth is there, and around the Earth, its satellite. That's name is Moon. Moon revolve around the Earth planets. So that's why students, such like other satellites also just revolve around their respective planets. So these are the satellites, the heavenly bodies that revolve around their respective planets are called satellites. Okay, students, about again the other information just I am telling about the satellites. Listen, students, like the planets, satellites also don't have their own light and heat. Like other planets, satellite don't have heat and light. They receive the light from the sun. So these are the features of satellites. Okay, students, next point. Listen, each planet has one or more satellites. Listen, students. Each planet has one or more satellites except the Mercury and Venus. That means in our solar system, Mercury and Venus, they have no any satellite, but rest of the other planets, they have one or more satellites. For example, Earth has a one satellite, that is Moon. Okay, students, we call it Moon. So as of the 2015, Saturn has 53 satellites. Then Jupiter has 50 satellites. Uranus has 27 satellites. Neptune has 13 satellites, and Mars has 2 satellites. So these are the satellites. These are the numbering of satellites. Okay, students, with respect to the planets. So these are the one, that means every planet has one or the more satellites in a solar family. Okay, students, then next topic is what? Just a man-made satellites. That means, students, listen, there are the two kinds of satellites in the solar system. There are two kinds of satellite. Listen, students, first natural satellite, and second artificial satellite. That means the man-made satellites. So students, there are the dozens upon dozens of the natural satellites as well as the other man-made satellites present in the solar system. Okay, students, now we will learn about the man-made satellites. Students, man-made satellites are the human built objects orbiting the Earth and other planets in our solar system. Students, why are artificial satellites important to us? What is the answer of this question? Okay, it is very essential to know about it. Listen, students, why they are important. Listen, in today's time, artificial satellites or the man-made satellites are of much importance. They provide signal for watching television, communication. These are helpful in a military operation, scientist research, and weather report. In such a way that students, man-made satellite just provide a lot of information and helps in navigation also. Okay, students. So in such a way that in the solar system, many satellites are the natural and some satellites are the man-made satellites. That means the artificial satellites. So in such a way that students, today we will learn about the satellites, its meaning, then about the natural satellites. For example, Moon is a natural satellite of the Earth, and again the man-made satellites. So Aryabhatta is the one first man-made satellite just of India. Okay, students. So on the basis of today's part, one assignment question just I'm giving you, and this question just in front of you. Okay, students, remaining part of this lesson just we will learn in the next online session. Thank you very much.